G'day fellas. Today we are rip-tear busting a bunch of parts we don't need off the giveaway car in preparation to paint the chassis. Without a fucking clue. If you want to help me build this thing and have a chance to win it, head over and join the team in my Patreon, link in bio. Let's go.
G'day, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a bit more work on the giveaway car. As you can see, it is absolutely pissing down outside. So yeah, it's perfect weather to be cooped up in the shed working on the car. We've got a bit to do today. Basically, we're prepping the car to paint the chassis. So there's a few more bits and pieces we're going to pull out of the engine bay here. We're also going to pull off the rear tow bar and fuel tank out of the back. And then I'm going to get up underneath and have a look if there's anything else we can pull off from underneath there that's in the way. So yeah, we're also going to pull the exhaust out, get that out of the way. Basically the plan is I'm going to leave the diffs and all the suspension in at the moment. Pretty much just get as much as we can off the chassis. As you can see, I am just in a bay of this shed. People do store their cars and caravans and stuff inside the other bays, and they're actually not fully sealed across the top and at the bottom. I'm actually not allowed to do any grinding and sanding, stuff like that, just in case, you know, metal particles and stuff go over and land on the stored cars in the other sides. So that's all right, we will be able to just throw the car on a car trailer and take it back home and do a bit of work on it there. Yeah, as I was saying, we're just going to leave the suspension and diffs under it. I'll take it home and I might sit the chassis up on blocks, remove the diff and all the suspension out from underneath it. We'll treat the chassis for the surface rust and then we'll get that painted. And then yeah, once the chassis is all painted, I will rebuild the diffs, put new brakes and everything and get them fully painted. And then we'll be able to just roll the new suspension, new diffs and everything underneath the painted chassis. And then yeah, we can move forward from there. Yeah, we'll get stuck in, start pulling the rear bar and fuel tank out of the back of it. Let's go.
Nice.
Righto, we got the bloody fuel tank out, tow bar off. Now I'm going to try and get this exhaust off. Let's see how we go. It's absolutely steaming hot in here at the moment, so I went down to Bunnings and grabbed a fan, so we're going to set that up. Hopefully get the air flowing around here a bit better. Just got a bloody cheap pedestal fan, industrial one. Hope this thing doesn't fucking fall apart. Oh, look at that. Right, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this exhaust out. Whew. Mate, that was a bit of a mission. Got the muffler out. Now I just need to get this back section. Hopefully this section's a bit easier. There we go, got the exhaust out. I'm bloody gonna turn this fan back on. She's fucking boiling in here. I'm just gonna pull a few more bits and pieces out of the engine bay. I might pull out the steering box, the power steering pump, probably the fuel filter, all this wiring that doesn't need to be here. And that's about it. So yeah, I'll pull all that out. And then we should be ready to throw it on the trailer and take it home. If anyone has a better way of getting these things out, let me know in the comments, because I do not know how to get them out without destroying them.
A great success!
Diesel gives you wings. That's what real men drink. So once I got rid of all the excess wiring and the fuel filter, it was pretty much ready for the car to go on the trailer. So I went home, grabbed the trailer, and Mum and Dad were actually throwing away this couch. So I thought, why not bring it over to the shed and throw it in the office area? Fucking oath. So as you can see, the workshop was an absolute pigsty. So we took this opportunity to throw as much rubbish and shit in the car as possible, so then we can later on take it to the tip. Righto, we've got the car on the car trailer. She's all loaded up with all the rubbish and shit that we don't need. Gave the workshop a little bit of a clean out. It's still fucking dirty as, but it'll be good now. I'll be able to clean up all this shit and get the workshop looking schmick as again. And she'll be ready to start prepping this chassis. Thanks for watching. Sorry, it's a bit of a short, boring video, but remember, if you want a chance to win the car, make sure you go and sign up to the Patreon and get involved in the build as well over there. Cheers.